In this experiment, we will study the attraction and repulsion between charges. Now in schools, you must have done combing in your hair and then attracting paper pieces. I'll do it with this rubber balloon. So I have this balloon in my hand and these paper pieces. Is it attracting? It's not attracting, because the balloon is not charged or paper is not charged. Okay. How can you charge the balloon? See, it is not attracting. Uncharged balloon does not attract uncharged paper pieces. Now, charge it. Yes. Rub it on your hair. You have rubbed it. Very good. Let us see if it is charged. I am putting it near the paper pieces. And see how the paper pieces are jumping to this balloon. Yeah, the balloon is now charged. It is attracting these paper pieces. Large paper pieces you have seen are being attracted. So that is the property of a charged object. When a charged object is brought near uncharged object or oppositely charged object, it attracts. Once again, let's see. This is charged. How it is charged? Because of electron transfer during rubbing. When you rub, electrons are transferred from one to another. Now, Ranjit, come here. Okay, let's see if it is charged. I am rubbing the balloon. Yes, how big piece it has lifted. Ranjit has lot of charge in his hair. Now this is sticking to this wall. See how it is sticking to this wall. This is again because of the charge. The balloon is charged. By rubbing, I am making it charged. When I stick to a wall, it attracts the wall, or wall attracts it. What is another property? One is attraction, and charged particles can also repel. When will they repel? They will repel when they have identical charge. Here what I am doing, both the balloons I am rubbing on my hair. That means both the balloons will acquire similar charge and should repel. One balloon I will keep on the table and the other balloon I will bring closer to it. It will repel, and if I move the first balloon, the second balloon will also move accordingly. Just look at it. What is happening? I have rubbed the two balloons on my hair and put one on the table, and now I am bringing the other one closer to it. The first one will fly away.